Alameda at the Electrify Expo.
Today I'm at the Electrify Expo.
We're in Alameda, California at the Electrify Expo and just finished test driving the VinFast VF8.
It is quite the vehicle.
It really exceeded my expectations.
Really attractive.
It was really exciting, went a lot faster, handled really well, and has a great range.
So interior-wise, I think the interior is gorgeous. Looks like something out of a luxury vehicle.
The back seat space is very generous.
Crammed 5 of us in there, and we were riding around pretty comfortably, so that was awesome.
The interior is very nice. Seats are really comfortable. It was easy to drive and kind of pick up the features quickly.
It drives really well. I like the design.
Your foot down, and this thing just takes off. Pretty incredible. Feels really fast.
Acceleration is great. It's fantastic. It feels like a safe car.
Let's go! Smiling, ear to ear right now.
I love it. It's an awesome car. I can't wait to be able to buy one.